We have door handles on our cars, but 90% of people only use it to open doors. What a waste! In fact, these 6 functions are hidden on the door handle. If it wasn't for me to tell you today, you drove the car and scrapped it. You don't even know. First, when adjusting the left rearview mirror, adjust the front door handle to the lower right corner of the rearview mirror. When adjusting the right side mirror, adjust the front door handle to the lower left corner of the rearview mirror. In this way, whether you are looking at the steps on the side of the road or the traffic coming from behind, the view is the best. Second, stare at the right rearview mirror when parking on the side. When you see that the front door handle just intersects the curb, turn the steering wheel to the left. The car entered the parking space smoothly. Third, if you encounter a dead car in front of you while driving, stare at the door handle. Hit the brakes as soon as you can't see it. At this point, the distance is exactly 10 centimeters. Fourth, stare at the door handle of the car next to you when you open the door and get out of the car. When the door handle and our door frame are on the same horizontal line. At this time, no matter how you open the door, you will not hit the car next to you. Fifth, the car key can't open the door without electricity. Remove the mechanical key from the back of the key. Pry the small cover on the door handle to open the door and start the car. Sixth, stare at the middle of the front door handle when reversing, when he coincides with the steps behind. At this time, the rear of the car is just 30 centimeters away from the steps. Do you see it? Exactly 30 centimeters.
Cool.
I'm sold. Follow me. The homepage also has 1,000 car knowledge.